I'm Stratton.
I'm Bubba.
I'm Robert.
And I'm Ian. Today we got to get the Cummins inspected. Last time he went, they told him he had to get new tires, so today we're going to put the Power Stroke tires on the Cummins. Got to borrow Ford parts if you got to get a Dodge running.
Shut up.
Ian's Shin over there having problems putting his tire on, but it's all good.
Ian!
At least I'm doing work. My daddy don't
I'm
do
supervising.
My daddy don't do my work for me.
You're right. I'll admit, he does it. You're right. Hey, as long as it gets done right?
Yeah, man.
Oh shit!
What happened?
PTSD!
From what? Last time you were on the toilet?
Scoop!
Let's go over here and see what Ian's doing.
Last time I took a Dodge, man, that's what it sounded like.
Got Nathan Shin.
What's up? It's a little chilly out here.
Got it over there?
Working on it. Yes, ma'am! Nah, you go all later.
You like even nuts or odd nuts?
Even nuts. I like how there's no spoiler. Wow. Let's open it. What'd you do? You spray that freaking Rust-Oleum?
Nathan Shin coming with the supplies.
I really can touch this down on the side, guys. Oh my god.
Out of the back of his trunk.
Dude, it's like the freaking. Oh, dude, the pib.
He's just taking it out.
The pib's the best part. Wait, what?
That's how bad the springs are, dude.
Oh, I thought you had that.
So we're about halfway through. We got the front swapped over now, and all of a sudden my truck looks like a pulling truck. Looks awesome. Unfortunately, it still has like 100 horsepower, but it might be able to pull a flatbed trailer if we're lucky. Now Ian's truck, on the other hand, check this monster out. Then dang, what is this? Oh, turns out I messed up. I thought these were 20 by 12s. They're actually, I think they're 20 by 14s. I know they're 14 wide. I have to measure the diameter. But he's got 20 by 14s on his truck right now. And dude, you better believe it looks mean. Look at that. And then
It's hard to hit them, dude.
little Dodge sitting in the back. But dude, what am I looking at here?
Ian's pipe in his hands.
I can't believe he knows how to change a tire. It's ridiculous. What you doing, fool? Building arm muscle? Chicken! This is Bubba. That's cool. Not gonna lie, it looks really bad, but anything for the inspection, right? I got a question, buddy. I got a question. Okay, so there's two trucks here, right? There's the Dodge, and there's the Ford. Which one's better?
The Dodge.
Yeah!
Liar.
Good boy!
Liar.
Junk Mustang.
Actually, I like Ford better than Dodge, and I like diesels more than Fords.
Oh, actually the Ford is a diesel.
This is a diesel, though.
Wait, both diesel, but I like both of them.
Oh, disappointment. And finally, we did it. It took long enough, and it looks terrible, at least on mine. But Ian's always looks retarded. But we can go see if we can get inspected. No punch. And Nathan's car as well. Nice try. This second.
What's up, guys? So we just got pulled over. Nathan in the V6 Mustang, probably why, got pulled over for failing to signal during a turn. We were on the way.
Lane change, thank you very much.
We were on the way to AutoZone to help Stratton, as we've been saying, get his car inspected, and making a turn at a stop sign. Everything's good. Continue down the road. He gets in the right-hand lane and continues and gets pulled over. Guy tells him he failed to signal, and here we are.
Okay, so sorry, I keep getting sidetracked. Everything's been a total mess. Look at this. Dropping oil everywhere. Thank you very much, Dodge. But basically, what just happened is the Cummins passed inspection, not bad. The Mustang passed inspection. Tires are still awesome. My truck's still dripping everywhere. The engine, transmission. Ian's truck still drips fuel everywhere. So my driveway is becoming like a mosh pit of just random engine fluids. But it's all in good fun. So, interesting problem. It's really nice that these awesome 22 by 14s fit on Ian's truck.
Without a leveling kit.
Yeah, without a leveling kit, it's awesome, right? Problem is, he can't turn. He just tried to back out of the driveway. It literally barely goes anything beyond straight. So, I don't know what we're gonna do now. We gotta go places, but our truck doesn't run. Cummins technically isn't street legal still, and everything else in here is gas. And Not even gonna consider that.
I know this video was as terrible as Nathan's Mustang, but we have something pretty exciting coming up.
What'd you get yesterday?